Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to allow Gmail to access your camera on PC, especially after the recent update. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Next to the web address, you'll see a small padlock icon. Click on this icon to view site information. Now, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various details about the security and permissions of the site. From here, look for an option that says Site Settings and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage permissions for Gmail. In the Site Settings menu, find the section labeled Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of different permissions that can be adjusted. Look for the option labeled Camera. If the setting is currently disabled, click on the drop-down menu next to it and change it to Allow. This will give Gmail the necessary access to use your camera. Once you've enabled the camera permission, you can simply close the Settings tab and return to your Gmail. That's it. You've successfully allowed Gmail to access your camera on your PC. Now, you can easily use the camera feature for video calls or uploading images directly from your webcam. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.